Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video, and I was thinking y'all haven't seen my car in a hot minute, and I've done quite a bit to it. So I'm gonna show y'all a little walk around on my car and what's been done to it since last y'all have seen it. So this is the car. I'm gonna just kind of talk about what I have done to it. Last y'all seen I had the wheels on it and I had the grill on it, but lately I've gotten the MMD V2 chin spoiler. Then I got a GT500 style rear wing, which I actually ordered this wing off of Amazon. I'm really happy with it. I got it painted, which I got a little dent in it right here, which I'm gonna try and get that fixed. Then there's a little scratch in it right here. But other than that, it looks great on the car. I'm also sponsored by NPT Performance now, so they hooked me up with a tune. Shout out to them, they're a great company. If y'all need tunes for your 3.7 Mustang, go check them out. Y'all have seen the exhaust, it's just a muffler delete. It's a 2013 Mustang V6 Premium, so it's got all the nice apps and stuff like that on the dash. I'm on 18 by 8.5 rims. I've got 235 50/18 Continental DWS 06 tires. Sorry, the car is just a little bit dirty. I haven't had time to really clean it. It's like this graphite gray color. I can't think of the exact name for it right off the top of my head. Then I also got a windshield banner made for the car with my name on it, Atomic 3.7. You already know. Underneath the hood, not much has changed. Here, I'll pop this real quick. Underneath here, I've just got a strut tower brace, which actually I pulled off of my friend Logan's car. And then I've got just stock intake. I want to do the aerate intake tube, and then a couple other things under here. But stay tuned for that. Then again, I've just got the GT Grill, which I ended up plasti dipping the emblem. And then we'll get into the car and I'll show you what else I have done to it. So we'll hop up in here, and then you can see my SET X4 tuner. Here, I'll turn it on. Let that turn on. Then I've just got it set up to where you can view my gauges and stuff, which I've got 3 tunes from MPT. We'll go into protocol. And then you can see I've got a 87 race tune, 93 race tune, and a 93 crackle tune from MPT. I want to get a ghost cam tune also soon. But I've got that done, which the car, it makes it feel like a whole different car. And then if you look right here, I've got a little bass knob. It's a little ghetto how I have it. But I've got 2 Skar Audio SDR12s on a Skar RP 1500. I did buy the amp used, and it is a little beat up from the previous person, which I want to upgrade to a 2000 watt or a 2500 watt. But I'll jump up in the trunk and I'll show y'all. So the box isn't completely done yet. I'm gonna do a different little plate right here and make it look all nice, but I just wanted to get the subs in. They're SDR12s. They're 4 ohms, but I have them wired at 2 ohms right now. They pound. They're in a sealed enclosure. I believe they're 1.5 cubic inches or cubic feet a piece. There are 2 boxes built separately because we had to build separate boxes to be able to fit it in my trunk. But it sounds amazing. Then the rest is just the stock audio, the Sync 3 system, I believe it's called. And the car, I love the way the car sounds with the muffler delete. I've also got a rev limiter set on it at 5,500 RPMs, and I'll let y'all hear that. But I just kind of wanted to show off what I have done to the car since y'all last seen it. I love this car. This is my project car. So I have a lot more to come for this car in the future. So stay tuned for my build. I'm gonna do a crackle tune and also a reviewing the 93 race tune on the car. So stay tuned for that video. But I'll catch y'all in the next video. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more content coming at you soon. And don't forget, have a good day.